This is a high-end cold roll forming machine specifically designed for producing 2mm thick metal gutters for greenhouses. It integrates flaring and punching functions. The machine is equipped with a 6-meter long pneumatic platform which greatly facilitates customers in receiving materials. The machine base frame is welded from steel plates, effectively enhancing the stability of the whole machine and ensuring reliable operation during the working process. It uses gearboxes for transmission and is paired with a high-precision diaphragm coupling ensuring accurate and efficient power transmission. Moreover, it is equipped with casing iron machine stance guaranteeing extremely precise processing accuracy. The rollers are fabricated from GCR-15 bearing steel. Through a quenching process, their hardness is enhanced. Subsequently, they undergo precision grinding and fine finishing to ensure both their hardness and dimensional accuracy, thereby guaranteeing the precise dimensions of the resulting gutter profiles. In addition, the machine is equipped with a 5-ton hydraulic decoiler, providing convenience for customers in loading materials.